This is room 9518 at the Grand Floridian. This is one of the resort studios. And I knew the 14 one had the little outs, I don't know what that's called. But this one does. We don't have a balcony. Some rooms do, but we do not. We don't really care. We're only here for one night. But the bathroom, I think everything else is the same. So we have, let's see here, bathtub, shower, toilet, the sink, the double sink. We got the little microwave, coffee, etc. And the closet with the robes, the vanity. Rider doesn't come with the room. We've got the 2 queen beds. And this is a pull out. So this does pull out. We don't need it, but this room does sleep 5. And then we have this little,
it's Daddy.
No, I think it's our stuff. And then it's a little push, a little like day bed, like window seat.